Hello everyone. Today we have this problem as a problem of the day, and the problem number is 2161. Problem title is partition array according to given pivot. You, you are given an zero indexed array nums and integer pivot. Rearrange nums such that the following conditions are satisfied. Okay, every every element every element less than pivot appears before element. Okay, every element every element less than pivot appears before every greater than. Okay, fine. Every element equal to pivot appears in between the element less than and greater than pivot. The relative order of the relative order of elements less than the relative order of the elements less than pivot and the elements greater than pivot is maintained. More formally, consider every pi, pj and pi comma pj, where pi is a new position of ith element and pj is a new position of the jth element. I must be less than j, and both element are smaller or larger than pivot then pivot of I. Okay, return nums after rearrange. Okay, got it. So basically we have 9, 12, 5, 10, 14, 3 and 10, and I have to rearrange, and 10 is my pivot. Okay, first let's check the pivot. Pivot equals to the n element. Okay, pivot will be present in the array always. So 10 is present, 10 over here. So all the values less than 10 are 9, 5 and 3. So the order will be 9, 5 and 3, and all the values greater than 10 are 12, 14 and 10. 12, 14 and 10. Oh, okay, there are equal values, so it will get append first, and 12 and 14 will get append. It's easy, sounds easy, I don't know why. So the pivot is 2. Okay, all the values less than 2, that is only -3, it will get in here. All the values equals to 2 will get populated, and all the values. Okay. So how to solve this problem? Okay, wait. See, using extra space we can simply make a new array. Okay, but fine, first use the extra space. What I will do, I will iterate over this array and check all the values less than 10. Okay, I will put it in a stack, and again all the put it in a stack or put it in a different array, and along with that I will also consider all the values greater than 10. I will put it in a different array. Okay, and if there are multiple 10, I will just keep the count of 10. Okay. So after that I will simply start with the left array and just append append the count of the pivot value, and then simply add the remaining to that array. That is simple. Okay. Uh, okay, I can also solve without having a multiple array. Okay, I will have just ANS, and first I will iterate from left to right and just put all the values. Uh, all the values less than 10, and I will count the 10. Then I will add the count of 10 like pivot, and then I will iterate again from right to this and simply put the values. Hmm, I made a mistake. Okay, it will be for loop only. Let's make it for loop again. Okay, let's go through the code. I'm iterating over the array from left to right, and if the value is same as pivot, then I'm doing the count plus plus. Else, if the value is less than pivot, then I'm just simply putting the value in ans I as yeah, it's good. And then okay, okay, I got it. So again, I'm iterating from here, and I will keep compare the value with the pivot only. Okay, sorry, I got an important call. So where I was, I just iterated over it, and just I'm keeping the pointer for this j, fine, simple, and then I'm just putting the values in putting the count of pivot, and I increasing the j value, and again I'm iterating, and yeah, I'm increasing the j value. Okay, fine, let's see why. Okay, why index out of bound. Okay, I got it, I got it. So I will treat the j from very beginning. J is at 0th index, and it will populate over there, and then again. Why it's two times? Fine. I is 0, and fine. Why j plus plus? J is getting incremented over there, right? Fine. I have 0. Okay, fine. J will get increment over here only, not at the last. Fine. And here what's happening? Okay, I need to increment the j over here, not here. Fine. I hope it will work. It should work because yeah. Okay, it was just implementation problem. Fine. Thank you. Let's see the my previous solution summation. Okay. Okay, I created three array v1, v2, v3. If this is v1, I put all the value in v1 and all the value in v2 and then all the value in v3, and simply make another vector and push all the everything work. Fine, that's great. Let's let's wrap up this. Okay, thank you everyone, bye bye.